Are you a manager who already has practical experience but wants to further develop your understanding of leadership and management? The MBA and Senior Leader MBA at Plymouth Marjon University are new postgraduate programs that can support you to become the strategic managers and senior leaders of tomorrow. Designed for any individual moving into or already in a senior management or strategic management role, our MBA and Senior Leader MBA are ambitious and accessible development opportunities using a blended learning approach of online and intensive periods of face-to-face delivery to fit alongside your current employment role so you can work and study at the same time. If you're an employer and considering the Senior Leader MBA for yourself or for your employees, you might be eligible to access the apprenticeship levy, which could see the government share the cost of the training with you. For more information, head to the government's website. Find more information on the MBA and the Senior Leader MBA and how to apply online now.